Stop right now. Do not take another calcium pill until you understand this truth. Joint pain is not the inevitable price you pay for getting older. You might think your joints are drying up because of a lack of calcium, but your body isn't missing bricks. It is missing vital biological resin. Imagine your skeletal system as a 60-year-old wooden house. Simply piling on calcium is like slapping plaster onto a foundation that is already cracking very deeply. What we truly need is a deep structural reconstruction starting from the cellular level. Your cartilage is desperately sending out distress signals that we must answer. Your body does not lack the building blocks. It lacks the connection. Let us look at how we can restore the internal life of your joints. Look at this limestone and this living resin. One is hard and brittle, the other is flexible and binding. Which one does your body truly need? Adding more calcium to a dry joint is like adding dry dust to a desert. We need to bring back the moisture and the cellular elasticity. When the foundation of your house is rotting, more paint on the walls won't save it. We must go deeper into the biology of your movement. Today, I will show you how to rebuild your frame from the inside out, using nature's most powerful tools for joint restoration and cellular health. Think of your metabolism as a complex transportation system. Your calcium and nutrients are like trucks trying to deliver essential goods to your thirsty joints. But when your joints are inflamed, the roads are blocked. The trucks are stuck at the entrance, unable to unload their precious cargo where needed. The synovial membrane is the road. When it is inflamed and damaged, no matter how much you eat, the nutrients simply cannot reach the cartilage cells. This congestion causes further swelling and pain. You take supplements, but the pain persists because the delivery route is completely shut down by chronic inflammation. The problem isn't your willpower or a lack of vitamins. The problem is that your cellular traffic lights are stuck on a permanent red signal. Your body is screaming for help, but the signals are crossed. We need to clear the roads before we can start the real repairs and healing. This toxic barrier prevents healing. Until we remove the biological debris, your joints will remain trapped in a cycle of constant friction and wearing down. Many people waste years taking pills that never reach the destination. We must find a way to reopen these pathways and restore the natural flow. Every time you feel that sharp sting in your knee, it is that red light flashing. It is a sign that the system is totally overwhelmed. So, how do we turn that red light back to green? How do we fix the road and let the trucks through to heal the cartilage? The answer lies in 3 specific natural resins and herbs that act as the ultimate repair crew for your aging and aching skeletal system. To reinforce your ancient house, we need 3 types of liquid life. These aren't just plants, they are biological keys to unlocking your body's potential. First is Boswellia, the nemesis of chronic inflammation. This sacred resin has been used for millennia to soothe the deepest fires within the human body. Its active acids work like a specialized cooling system, calming the inflamed pathways and allowing blood to finally reach the starved and dry joint tissues. As Boswellia clears the way, the traffic jam begins to dissolve. The nutrients can finally move toward the cells that have been waiting for repair. This resin is the foundation of our repair. It prepares the ground for the next stage of reconstruction by silencing the constant alarms of pain. It acts as a lubricant for the soul of your joints, restoring the peace needed for the other ingredients to perform their vital work effectively. Second is curcumin from turmeric. Think of curcumin as the diligent janitor of your joints, working tirelessly to clean up the biological mess left behind. It identifies and removes dead cells and metabolic waste that have been piling up in your synovial fluid, causing friction and more painful inflammation. When the environment is clean, your cartilage can breathe again. This sweeping action is essential for preventing the further decay of your delicate joint surfaces. Without this cleaning process, even the best nutrients will just sit on top of the trash. Curcumin ensures every inch of your joint is refreshed. It fights at the molecular level, protecting your cells from the oxidative stress that accelerates aging. It is a shield for your precious moving parts. With the fire out and the debris gone, your joints begin to feel a sense of renewal they haven't experienced in many long, painful years. Finally, we have white willow bark. This tree is a symbol of resilience. It bends, but does not break, just like we want your joints to be. The extract from this bark provides a natural way to manage pain without the harsh side effects that often come with synthetic chemical pharmacy options. It works in harmony with your nervous system, gently lowering the volume of pain while simultaneously encouraging the cartilage to regain its natural, healthy elasticity. Imagine your cartilage becoming like a brand new sponge, ready to absorb shock and support your weight with every step you take each day. This isn't about masking the symptoms for a few hours. This is about giving your body the tools to repair the actual cause of the discomfort. Unlike common pills, willow bark is kind to your stomach. It works slowly and steadily to rebuild your freedom of movement from deep within. Together, these three herbs form a powerful trinity. They cool the inflammation, clean the environment, and rebuild the structure of your aging joints. This is a comprehensive reconstruction. We are not just patching a hole, we are restoring the integrity of the entire system for long-term health. You will notice that you can move more freely. The stiffness of the morning begins to fade as your tissues regain their youthful, resilient quality. Feel the difference in every step. This is the result of working with nature's wisdom rather than fighting against your own biological clock. Remember, this is a journey of reconstruction. It takes time to rebuild a house, and it takes time to heal your cellular foundation properly. I know there are days when you feel frustrated and limited by your own body. Those moments of pain can feel very lonely and overwhelming. The pain isn't just in your joints, it's the loss of independence when you can't garden or walk with the ones you love most dearly. But your 60 years of experience is your greatest strength. You know your body better than anyone else, and you know it deserves better care. You are not alone in this. There is a path forward that doesn't involve constant suffering or accepting that you are just getting old. Imagine waking up and feeling light, ready to take on the day without hesitating at the bottom of the staircase or fearing the walk. If you are ready to start this journey, I want you to write the word healing in the comments below to join our community. We will stand by you. Your commitment to your health is the first step toward reclaiming the active life you truly deserve to live. Before we proceed, I have a very important warning that you must keep in mind for your safety and long-term health success. These natural herbs are incredibly powerful. They stimulate your circulation and change your internal chemistry in very significant ways to promote healing. Because they are so effective, they can interact with medications you may already be taking for blood pressure or other chronic health conditions. Never stop taking your prescribed treatments without consulting your doctor. Use these natural wonders as a supportive team to enhance your existing medical care. Watch your body closely. Pay attention to your blood sugar and blood pressure as your circulation improves, and keep your healthcare provider informed constantly. Being cautious is not a sign of fear. It is the ultimate expression of wisdom and respect for your own physical well-being and longevity. Keep a journal of how you feel. Your body will tell you what it needs as it begins the profound process of self-correction and repair. This balanced approach is the most effective way to see real, lasting results without putting your overall health at any unnecessary or avoidable risk. Your body's ancient house does not need to be torn down. It simply needs to be loved, nourished, and reinforced with the right ingredients. Start healing today with understanding and compassion for yourself. Goodbye for now, and I look forward to seeing you in motion again soon.